Here at CIS, we can make anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Can we make a button?
Yes, we can.
How about an octopus?
Yes, we can. We can make one out of recycled materials.
That's a little small.
Whoa.
How about a giraffe?
Yes, even when we can sit on it.
How about a robot that can make art?
We can code one to do it. From kindergarten to grade 12, STEAM is a huge part of our learning. We dive into coding, robotics, multimedia, and more. Our youngest students start with play-based learning, exploring loose parts and creating in the Kindergarten Arts Atelier.
And here in the Idea Lab, primary students bring their ideas to life using recycled art and 3D printed objects with tools like the laser cutter and digital design software.
When we get to middle and high school, we use the Innovation Lab to design and create cool projects. We even design mini apartments.
Our robotics program is growing with students from grades 4 to 12. We have even won the Academist Vex Championship.
Thanks to our STEAM program, we're becoming the thinkers and the makers of tomorrow.
We know that our only limit is our imagination.
That's right.
At our school, knowledge knows no bounds.